Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas, everyone! I hope all is going well for you guys, and sorry for not posting for such a long time. Luckily, you didn't have to wait for like 2 years until a new video. Unlike a certain person's audience, I have quite the game though. Okay, so the game is conveniently named Christmas game. Well, I didn't want to spoil the surprise, so let's get into it. The game started as a little tech demo of a present that I can build up from parts that come on a little conveyor belt on the bottom of the screen. The concept of the game is very simple. You're one of Santa's elves and you make presents. It just randomly popped into my head and then I tried to find a game that's similar, but I found none. Bingo! This was the best idea I could come up with. So I hit up my man and explained the idea to him. I successfully convinced him that it is a good idea and he started drawing some models. We ended up with 3 toys plus a 4th, but it isn't finished yet. There's a car, which is a star car, which is a Polish car as far as I'm concerned. There's a doll and then there's a bear named Pinky. You might have seen this doll somewhere though. So I added the toys parts into the conveyor belt system. This means this. Yeah, the game's held up by used chewing gum and some duct tape. It's horrible. We then came up with a system where you have to put the already made toys into the delivery zone, and then you get 25 points. I also added a point counter on the top left of the screen, sometime in development, but I don't remember when. Also, if you don't pick up the parts from the conveyor belt, they will get thrown out, and that subtracts 1 point from you. Later down the line, I also made it so you can put parts into the delivery zone, and that gives you 1 point. I guess the lower reason is that you sell the parts to China or something. Then Piffer made a background too. I added that, but there was a black pixel. He quickly fixed it. I had to adjust the image a bit, but it looks pretty good. I also made some little adjustments in the meantime, but I don't really remember what I actually did. I do remember that I made a pause menu though. I tried to find a font for the texts, but the first one I found didn't have the dash symbol, so I had to find another one, but that's way worse. I guess I maybe find another one later. I made a main menu too, and I named the current game mode Endless, cause it's, well, endless. After that somehow another idea popped into my head, a game mode that I would call Challenge Mode. I quickly duplicated the already done Endless mode, slapped the timer on it, and added a game over screen that shows your points. The goal in this game mode is to get as many points as you can in only 5 minutes. I think it's a pretty great idea, and you can post your achievements in the Discord server. I made a channel already. My record so far is 479 points. I then sold my kidneys and my soul to the Godot god, and somehow exported the game to Android. My best score there is 261. So anyways, I propose a challenge for you guys. The first person that submits me a 10,000 point run in this game will get exclusive updates on my next game. I also made a speedrun.com page for a few point-based categories. As I'm writing this script, it's still pending. We'll see if they accept it or not. If they reject it, I'll do something on my Discord, I don't know, I make a channel. I also uploaded the game onto itch.io. I'll put a link in the description. At first, we had this problem where more than one toys would spawn at the same time, but it kinda fixed itself, so I guess it's taken care of. Also, the game's name is Christmas Elf Slave Game, but I will change it soon. I can't think of anything. If you have any idea for the game's name, you can also comment that too. So I already changed it to just simply Christmas Elf Game. I finished writing the script once, but it just keeps getting bigger. So the speedrun.com application got rejected, and Piffer suggested to make a 1000 points game mode, and I added it. It gives you an accurate time down to the millisecond. So yeah, after this video goes out, I'll make a channel in the Discord server where you can apply your runs. I guess we'll roll with that. I also brought up the idea to work on this game every year around Christmas. I don't know if this will happen, but we'll see next year. So that's almost everything. Sorry for not posting for quite a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe, you know, and maybe join the Discord server. I'm pretty active there. You can obviously play the game without joining the Discord, but the link is in the description for the game and the Discord also. And sorry for the video quality, I didn't write the script alongside making the game, so it's a bit worse than it should be. Okay, that's all. Bye. Hello, this is a very f***ing tired dumb dev. It's currently 4 minutes past midnight on December the 24th. I'm currently finishing the game, and it had so much f***ing problems, and I just finished it. I don't know how, but this game is really just held up by f***ing used chewing gum and duct tape. And how somehow it's working. So let me see, like 1000-point mode. Okay, let me try. Somehow I fixed the f***ing awful system in the game. I don't know how I did it. I'm just so thankful that I get to sleep now. I'm so happy right now. You probably can't hear it in my voice, but I'm so happy. You know, we had the problem where multiple parts would spawn. I fixed it. The system was horrible. The main problem with it was like the previous toys would spawn the next toy. I don't know why it was like that. I'm just stupid dumb dev, I guess. So yeah, now the map, or like the current scene, is spawning it, and it works like a charm. So I'm just glad it somehow works. That's the time right there. See? F***ing 007. Oh my god.
Bye-bye!